Hi, and welcome to our presentation for ERE 288. We are Team 5. Our members include Sonia, Sandra, Ben, Suzanne, and Sydney. The program we chose to evaluate was SupportNet at Fresno State. SupportNet is a resource targeting any Fresno State student, varying at any academic or achievement levels, that feel like they are struggling in the area of college readiness. The aim and purpose of this particular program is to uphold and support students through their academic journey. Existing literature suggests there must be accountability placed on the student and institution regarding student success and improvement. The Motivated Strategies of Learning questionnaire, the MSLQ, are pre-existing measurements utilizing 3 core topics, including expectancy, value, and effect. As a research group, we wanted to also incorporate these topics into our questionnaire. This program evaluation included quantitative measurements to measure student motivation and learning strategies, a qualitative survey which examines several areas of student satisfaction. These are some of the quantitative questions regarding their motivation, attitudes, learning, and study strategies. The first part of the assessment is on motivation. It is using the Likert 7-point scale. Part B is how the student learns. Again, they will use the Likert 7-point scale to answer these questions. Here are some of our open-ended qualitative questions for students who have used SupportNet. In this portion, we address student concerns. During this portion, students' overall opinion of SupportNet is gathered. And finally, we address the student's goals.
We've included an abbreviated version of our logic model here. Above are student inputs, activities, outputs, short, middle, and long-term outcomes. This serves as an outline that we will utilize during our evaluation process to see the effectiveness of SupportNet and resources. SupportNet's activities, outputs, and outcomes are all representative of the program's objectives to prepare Fresno State students to be successful both with their academics and future endeavors. Objectives are implemented through a variety of academic avenues. The sample uses a non-experimental design combined with the Likert scale for about 70 students. The post-assessment will be categorized from 1, not at all true of me, 2, 3, 4, neutral, 5, 6, 7, very true of me. The answers will provide insight on each student's experience. The face-to-face interview is a quantitative research method. Utilizing this technique will allow the respondent to provide their full attention in a higher quality response. When looking at data, the first instinct is to find patterns, connections, and relationships. We look at data to find meaning. Data analysis is how researchers move a mass of data to a meaningful insight. Evaluation can improve a program's design, implementation, and/or it can demonstrate the impact of the program itself. It is important for a program evaluation to be executed carefully and well planned. A good evaluation will be tailored to the program, inclusive, honest, and reproduced with similar outcomes. In reviewing the program evaluation proposal for SupportNet, there are a few limitations. Participation or lack thereof. Duration of research might also pose as a limitation in there might not be enough time. Fluency. Interviewers and researchers should consider having questionnaires available in additional languages. And cost is the last limitation. We estimate this research will take around 2 months from start to finish. Accounted within the timeline is the time it will take to form a partnership with Fresno State and work out logistics. The remaining month will be spent implementing the assessment at the end of the academic year. The proposed budget for this project is $1,500. This budget includes fees required to develop and provide scales and questionnaires, acquire research tools, and create a comfortable atmosphere for students that will be participating in the evaluation process. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.